You're listening to Mystery Side Hustle, the number one place here on YouTube for all things for mystery shopping and how to get quick, fast cash when you need it the most. Make sure to check out our previous episodes on our podcast and also review our videos on our YouTube channel.
Are you a resident of Illinois on the lookout for exciting mystery shop job opportunities? Look no further. I will introduce you to 5 reputable mystery shop companies that currently offer jobs for residents in Illinois. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or enjoy the thrill of undercover assignments, these companies have got you covered. Get ready to uncover the secrets of the mystery shop world in Illinois. Introducing Bestmark. Bestmark is a renowned mystery shopping company that operates nationwide, including in Illinois. They work with a variety of industries, such as retail, restaurants, and automotive, offering a wide range of assignments. Simply sign up on their website and browse through their available jobs in Illinois. Bestmark provides detailed guidelines and prompt payment, ensuring a smooth and rewarding mystery shopping experience. Sample job currently available. All jobs have been assigned, but still, sign up for new ones posted daily. Introducing IntelliShop. IntelliShop is another top-notch mystery shop company that has a strong presence in Illinois. They offer diverse assignments, including visits to retail stores, restaurants, hotels, and more. With their user-friendly platform, you can easily find and apply for jobs in your area. IntelliShop values shopper feedback and provides excellent support throughout the process, making it a great choice for mystery shop enthusiasts. Sample job currently available. Get paid $50 to perform an online retail inquiry. Introducing Market Force Information. Market Force Information is a leading provider of customer intelligence solutions and also offers mystery shopping opportunities in Illinois. They have a vast network of clients, ranging from popular retail chains to financial institutions. By joining Market Force, you can access a plethora of assignments, complete with detailed instructions and fair compensation. Their user-friendly platform and responsive support team make it a breeze to navigate the world of mystery shopping. Sample job currently available. All jobs have been assigned, but still, sign up for new ones posted daily. Introducing Sinclair Customer Metrics. Sinclair Customer Metrics is a well-established mystery shopping company that operates across the United States, including Illinois. They specialize in various industries, including hospitality, gaming, and healthcare. As a mystery shopper for Sinclair Customer Metrics, you'll have the opportunity to evaluate customer service, product quality, and overall experiences. Their comprehensive reporting system and timely payments make them a reliable choice for mystery shop jobs. Sample job currently available. Get paid $80 to open a bank account. Introducing Secret Shopper. Secret Shopper is a trusted name in the mystery shopping industry, providing opportunities for shoppers in Illinois. They work with an extensive client base, covering industries like retail, restaurants, and banking. Secret Shopper offers a user-friendly platform where you can select assignments based on your preferences and availability. With their clear instructions and competitive compensation, Secret Shopper is a great option for those looking to embark on their mystery shopping journey. Sample job currently available. Get paid $45 for evaluating an hotel. If you're an Illinois resident eager to explore the world of mystery shopping, these 5 companies are your gateway to exciting opportunities. Bestmark, IntelliShop, Market Force Information, Sinclair Customer Metrics, and Secret Shopper all offer a variety of assignments, fair compensation, and excellent support. Remember to sign up on their websites, browse available jobs, and follow their guidelines to make the most out of your mystery shopping experiences.